violet sugar. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Today we're picking violet adorata. These sweet violets like the shade.
Okay, don't know if you can see it. There is my violets I've harvested. About a quart, and it's 76 grams.
Today's recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of violet petals loosely packed, 2 cups of granulated sugar.
What's your name?
My name's Jackie, and
Who picked the, did you pick?
I picked some flowers, and then I'm going to put some sugar in this with the flowers.
Okay. So you got one cup of flowers and how much sugar?
For 2 scoops,
2 cups.
2 cups of
Okay.
sugar.
Okay, you want to pour it over just a little bit. Okay. Now, put the lid on. Now what do you do?
Push this button. It's turning it purple.
It's turning it purple.
Yes. So what do we do now?
Just wait. Mom's going to mix it up a little bit and then we're going to do it some more. And then we got to let it dry.
And then we're going to let it dry.
In the meantime, can you say thank you to Ragnarok Prepper for giving us the recipe?
Thank you for giving us the recipe.
I'm going to link Ragnarok Prepper's video down below. They're the ones that gave us the idea and the recipe.
Stir it some more, and then do it some
Let me
more.
get in there for a second. Isn't that a beautiful color?
Oh my god. Look at the flowers, they're gone.
Yeah, they all turned to powder.
Mostly gone.
Yeah.
Can we stir it a little bit more like with this?
In a minute. Wait till Mom gets it.
Yeah. I'm just holding the button for when we're done.
Okay.
Why are you recording?
I think that color is absolutely beautiful. It is going to be wonderful in tea. Was it worth it?
Mm-hmm.
Ragnarok Homestead also had a cookie recipe. Go check it out. Thank you, Rebel Canners. I hope you've enjoyed this foraging series. If you do, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so I know to make more content in this series. Thank you.